Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. After we compared the packaging, the design, dimension, specs, and UI, on this video we are going to compare the offered menus and features of the Oraimo Watch 6 versus the Oraimo Watch 5. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearables in terms of features, watch this video. And again, if you find this video comparison useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin. Let's put this on the side and let's focus on the offered menus and features of both wearable. Let's go first with the UI. Let's check it out again. On top we have the settings and options, but as you can see here, there are more options for our Oraimo Watch 6. Okay, on the bottom part we have the notifications. On the left side we have here the split screen. For our Watch 5, it is more of like a dashboard for common and popular applications. On the right side we have the widgets or the components. Okay, so we do have the widgets here. Okay, to access the main menu, just press the power button. So we have here workout, so this is the sports functions. But checking on the sports functions, the Watch 6 do have a much better or more comprehensive sports functions compared to our Watch 5. And as you can see here, the screen display of the Watch 5 is too sensitive, okay, compared to the Watch 6. I always experience accidental activation of some of its menus. Okay, so here are the sports functions for our Watch 6. So we do have a categories here. We don't have it here in our Watch 5. Going back, so we have sports record, we have daily activity tracking, we have the voice assistant, we have the Bluetooth call, we have a music control. Let's see, so different layout, different UI. We have the heart rate monitoring. Going back, we have the sleep monitoring. Then what else do we have here? Blood oxygen. I think they have the same sequence for its features. We have the pressure, we have remote camera control, we have weather report. Also have here, after weather, we have calendar here. We have the alarm and the world clock. Do we have a world clock here? We have an alarm, stopwatch, but we don't have a world clock. We have the timer, we have the calculator, we have the find phone, we have the flashlight, we have the games here, we don't have it here, and we have the settings. So for the settings, you have the display and brightness, you have the adjustment of brightness, we have the screen time, display duration here, we have raise to wake, we have the watch face. They almost have the same features here, just minor difference I think when it comes to the offered menus, except for the sports functions. We have power saving mode, we have it here. Battery, yes, we also have the power saving mode. Sound and vibration, we also have it here. Okay, we have the vibration intensity, we don't have it here. Media audio, raise to wake, connect your phone, We have the general options here. We have the system. Okay. And we have what else? That's it. Okay, let's go to the about section. About and about. Oraimo Watch 6 and Oraimo Watch 5. So when it comes to the offered features, they almost have the same features except for the sports functions. There's a huge difference when it comes to the sports functions. And of course, the world clock, we have it here. And as you can see, there's a really huge difference when it comes to the touchscreen feature. For the Watch 5, okay, it's really hard to operate, very sensitive. Okay, even though you're not selecting, you're just scrolling or swiping, you will accidentally open or activate some of the apps here. Unlike here for the Watch 6, very smooth, very responsive, and there's no accidental opening of applications. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the menus and features of the Oraimo Watch 5 in comparison with the Oraimo Watch 6. Again, this is a rotary function. For the Watch 5, we don't have it here. I'm going to list the menus here on both sides so you can compare. So which do you think is better in terms of the offered menus and features? Is it the Watch 5 or the Oraimo Watch 6? Drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.